The Antarctic takes a brand new look with its first ever gold model, the Mount Erebus. Hello and welcome. My name is Luka. I am a watchmaker working in the industry for 8 years. And we are now at Czapek to do a full assembly of the new Mount Erebus. Of course, the assembly is done by hand. The first step in assembling the watch is to construct the caliber. The movement is crucial, so quality tests of the movement are conducted by inspectors to ensure that all components are perfect. Each part, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the creation of the watch, such as the wheels, for example. If defective, can stop the entire movement. The next step is the assembly of the calendar, dial, and hands. It's a very delicate stage because the dials and indexes are made of gold, which is highly prone to scratching. So meticulous care is needed much more than steel. I have always enjoyed mechanics assembling Lego, putting things together. That's what inspired my interest in watchmaking. And some of my family members are in the watch industry. Since I was 12 years old, I can say that I am truly passionate about it. Now comes the casing, a process known as emboîtage. Emboîtage is a critical step in watchmaking where the movement is carefully fitted into the case. Here, it's crucial that the watch is clean. Dust and contaminants are number one enemies for us watchmakers. The making of the Mount Erebus continues with the waterproof test and timing tests to check the watch's accuracy in both advancing and lagging. In Czapek, the practice has always been one watchmaker, one watch owner, meaning there is only one watchmaker assigned to each watch. After the tests, we give the watch to the final controller. It's time for the assembly of the bracelet on the case. This process requires precision and care to ensure a seamless integration between the two components. This is the first ever Antarctic to have a gold case, adding a unique touch to the timepiece. Et voilà, the Mount Erebus 5N. I'm Luka and it has been an honor to show you my craft. Thank you for your time.